Naglabas ng saloobin ng Kapuso actress kung paano siya nasasaktan sa mga maling kwentong naglalabasan tungkol sa kanyang buhay. Nais na raw tuldukan ni Bea ang ilang fake news na naglabasan tungkol sa kanya.
Doon ako siguro naapektuhan kasi marami nagsispread ng false narrative about my life. And when you're going through something really difficult in your life and you have other people narrating it for you in a different way, very different from the way you see it and very different from the truth, sobrang sakit niya. Kasi yes, it affects you because it's one thing to go through something silently, like a very, very huge heartbreak. But it's another thing to be going through it in front of the public nang iba yung narrative.
And people forget na ikaw yung nakipag-break eh. Ikaw yung unang naapektuhan eh.
Actually, that's false. That's false. Hindi ako nakipag-break.
So what I mean is, ikaw yung nawalan ng relasyon.
Oo.
Since you mentioned that, I will ask that. So hindi ikaw ang nakipag-break?
Oo, pero huwag na natin pag-usapan yun. Let's leave it in the past and it's amicable, okay naman kami. I think it would be disrespectful to the relationship and to the other person to talk about it. It's a very sensitive topic and